tribes, nomads and itinerant group. देखिए पेज नंबर 51. Most people in India lead a settled life, but certain people lead a migratory and tribal life. According to census means जनगणना. हाँ. 2011, the population of scheduled tribes in the country is 8.60% of the total population of India, with exception of some. They are found in almost all the states. Tribal population is large in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Gonds followed by Bhils and Santals are the largest tribe group. A scheduled tribe is defined as group of people speaking a common dialect, inhabiting a common territory and displaying a certain homogeneity in their culture. It is frequently a political unit for the purpose of internal administration, of justice and external relations, such as the prosecution of war. Indian tribes are classified in a number of ways on the basis of manner in which they earn their livelihood. There are 4 types of tribes in India. First है hunters, fishers, food gatherers, that is the Onge and Jarawa of Andaman. Second, shifting cultivators, tribes of Nagaland, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Peasant artisan, Gonds of MP, Santhal and Orange of Jharkhand. नोमैडिक ग्रुप ये 4 भागों में डिवाइड किए गए हैं. कौन? एसटी वाले, शेड्यूल कास्ट के लोग, जो शेड्यूल ट्राइब वाले, ये 4 भागों में उनके वर्ग के आधार पर इनको अलग अलग बांटा गया है. नोमैडिक वाले क्या हैं? देखो, नोमैडिक आर इटिनेरेंट आर्टिसियन इंक्लूड द बेरहौर्स ऑफ झारखंड, द Fentias of Odisha, the Gadiya Luhar of Rajasthan, the Gadiyas of Himachal Pradesh and Rabares of Gujarat. Tribes have undergone transformation due to their contact with the neighboring communities. For example, the Bhils in the past engaged in hunting. भेल्स लोग क्या करते थे पहले? हंटिंग, कलेक्शन एंड पोस्टल एक्टिविटीज, बट लेटर दे रिस्टोर्ड टू सेडिमेंट्री कल्टीवेशन. द थारूस लिखते हैं ऑफ उत्तराखंड हैव सक्सेसफुली एडाप्टेड टू द मर्सी forested and in hospitable environment of the Tarai. Agriculture is their main occupation. The Nagas are mostly agriculturists who practice shifting cultivation beside their age-old occupation of hunting and fishing. The Bhotiyas of Uttarakhand are semi-nomadic and practice transhumance ट्रांसह्यूमन दैट इज सीजनल माइग्रेशन, ये मौसम के अनुसार इधर उधर जाते हैं। द Gonds constitution the large tribe group of India and are separate over a vast territory extending from Madhya Pradesh to Karnataka and from Gujarat to West Bengal. Their largest concentration is in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. They practice shifting cultivation. Now formation of state में देखें, गोंडवाना समटाइम कॉल्ड गोडारन लिखते हैं, गोडाना is a historical region in central India comprising parts of the Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. It is inhabited by the Gonds, a group of Brahmin tribes who are more than 7.5 million population. They were first mentioned in the 14th century Muslim chronicles. The Gonds provided a classic example of state formulation. Anthropologists call them pre-Dravidian, with dark complexion, flat nose, thick lip, straight hair and short stature. Their main language are Gondi or Maithili, which have close tie with the Indo-Aryan language. They practice dippa cultivation, shifting cultivation कहते हैं dippa को. It is like zooming in Assam. They also practice panda cultivation or hill slope, which is trash cultivation. They work as agricultural laborers too.